So napanood ko yung laro ng Golden State Warriors at Detroit Pistons sa Disney Plus. At dito nakita ko na kailangan ni Stephen Curry ng tulong. Plus, nakita ko rin itong pinaka-latest na balita na ito palang Golden State Warriors is heavily pursuing itong si Giannis Antetokounmpo. Ang tanong, pwede ba talaga? Dito po sa video na to, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung 5 destination, baka 6 na destinations na pwede at kasama ba ang Golden State Warriors. At syempre, ikukwento ko na rin sa iyo kung ano nangyari sa laro ng Detroit Pistons at ng Golden State Warriors na pinanood natin sa Disney Plus at yung iba pang mga laro. Actually, ang dami kong natututunan sa Disney Plus kasi napapanood ko rin yung ESPN pregame show. So pag-usapan na natin yan, wag na natin patagilin. Giannis Antetokounmpo, matrade kaya siya?
Podcast Sports, the #1 independent sports voice of the Philippines.
What's up guys? Magandang araw, tanghali, gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kanina napanood ko yung laro ng Detroit Pistons. Antindi talaga ng Detroit Pistons. That's why they're the best team in the league right now. In the East, the West, pwede naman natin pag-usapan yan, but the Detroit Pistons showing that they can. And they actually dominated the game against the Golden State Warriors. From the first quarter to the last quarter, talagang kuhang-kuha nila. Buti na lang, nakahabol pa nga bandang dulo itong Golden State Warriors, pero kulang talaga. And this stats is from ESPN ito. So, 45 points Detroit Pistons in the first quarter at hindi po yan tumigil. In the second and the third quarter, puro po 30 plus points ang kanila pong ginawang production sa points. Again, napaka-kompleto ng Detroit Pistons. Talagang walang nagawa ang Stephen Curry, the deadliest shooter. No, wala kulang talaga. And kulang sa support and ang Detroit Pistons bata, nag-mature na rin. And everyone seems to be contributing. Like Cade Cunningham, 29 points. Jalen Duren, 21 points. Harris, Duncan Robinson, ang ganda rin ng shooting nito from the outside. Hindi umubra si Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry had 4 out of 10 from the outside. And, again, nakakascore naman yung mga ka-teammates niya pero kulang talaga. They need one guy that can contribute ng automatic. Parang yung Jimmy Butler sana, kaso nga na-injured si Jimmy Butler. So that is the story of that game. But that's okay. Like what I said, the Golden State Warriors is still a playoff team, but that's all they are this season unless they do something. And I'm about to share to you what. Pero bago yan, pag-usapan muna natin, congratulate natin the Los Angeles Lakers won against the Washington Wizards. Matik na dapat yan against Washington Wizards. The Magic and the Raptors, panalo Magic 130-120. The Knicks won it 127-97. Pelicans, panalo against Grizzlies 114-106. Celtics 112-93. The Suns 126-113. At the Nuggets 129-109. The Jazz, talo ng Nets 109-99. And of course, ang pinaka-finale na pinanood ko ay itong Pistons 131-124. Pag-usapan na natin ito, no? At ako actually, lahat talaga, you can actually watch your favorite NBA games pag available sa Disney Plus. That's where I watch it. Malinaw, maliwanag. And of course, you can also enjoy not just sports. There's sports programming, but there's also movies. So if I were you, I will watch my NBA on Disney Plus. Speaking of Disney Plus, at saka speaking of malinaw, no? Bigyan muna kita ng konting chismis. And I will, at the end of this, I will predict kung saan maglalad itong si Giannis Antetokounmpo, no? So mga kapaukas, handa na ba kayo? Ito kasi yung paboritong hobby ng mga NBA fans pag laging natatalo ang team. Kung ba pag natatalo yung team mo, ito natatalo Bucks, i-trade na yan. May trade na. No? At si Giannis Antetokounmpo nasa trade rumors for a long time. Para silang yung mga fans parang may trade machine Lahat may source or lahat tayo nag-iisip. Okay? So ano mangyayari? But let's be real, no? Ang Bucks ngayon, parang group project itong si Giannis Antetokounmpo. Siya lang kasi gumagawa Giannis dropping 30 points, 12, 6, tapos talo pa rin. At ngayon, may injury pa. So parang hindi talaga maganda ang itsura ng Milwaukee Bucks. Ang tanong ngayon, hanggang kailan magtitiis itong si Giannis Antetokounmpo dito sa Milwaukee Bucks. Milwaukee Bucks, I think they're doing the best they can to make itong si Giannis happy, pero at this point, narinig natin na he might be open. I don't think he's actively asking for a trade, but it's kind of confusing. I don't think it should be public anyway, pero ganito lang yan. Ang Bucks, walang picks. Matanda na, supermax si Giannis. At pag di ka contender, superstar ka, usually trade rumor yan, lalo na pag medyo, alam mo na, yung nasa edad ka na rin, sayang yung prime years. So, again, I don't think this is about loyalty issue. Hindi ito drama. This is just NBA math. So, here we go. Ito po yung top landing spot for our guy right here, Giannis Antetokounmpo. And sa akin, ang una na iniisip ko agad, and this has been in the rumors, is syempre, pag may superstar, automatic, pinakamaganda minsan yung New York Knicks. Why New York Knicks? Malakas na New York Knicks, palakasin pa natin. New York Knicks, big market, big asset. At syempre, pinaka-importante, Knicks talaga, parang nandoon na rin sila eh. I think the best team that could get Giannis Antetokounmpo are those competing teams. So imagine mo na lang, Bronson in Giannis and si Towns. Pero sino naman ibibigay nila? Pero ayun naisip ko pwedeng New York Knicks, si Madison Square Garden, talagang mapapasi si LeBron James nga may rumor din sa New York Knicks eh. So, I think okay yan. And New York Knicks, mecca of sports yung Madison Square Garden. So, lagi naman silang kasama sa rumor eh. Okay? So, that's number one. Number two, and probably, I'm not gonna say anything yet, but I will tell you that Miami Heat is also part of this. So, pag Miami Heat, I think mas may discipline based on the identity of Miami Heat culture. So, Pat Riley, tingnan natin kung nakipag-meeting siya kay Giannis. Baka sabihin ni Giannis, I'm taking my talent to South Beach. Fit ba? Sa tingin ko, pwede. And ang Miami Heat, magaling talaga mag-fit ng player, no? Giannis, Heat defense, no excuse, no shortcuts. Ang downside lang, sino iti-trade nila? Sino Tyler Hero. So, talagang switch identity ang Miami Heat or switch main players. Pero kung may team na marunong mag-convince ng superstar, alam na naman natin Miami Heat yan. So Miami Heat is one of the contenders sa tingin ko na possible talaga. Number 3 sa tingin ko pwede Atlanta Hawks. Atlanta Hawks, Giannis with Jalen Johnson, no? Pick and roll at mga bata ang Atlanta Hawks. I think Atlanta Hawks is a sleeper. I think Atlanta Hawks it will be very good in the years to come. So if they have an asset and nagkaroon na sila ng parang revolution with by letting go of Trae Young, so baka pwedeng tuloy-tuloy na nila. I think may picks sila eh. May picks, may mas younger, pero risky para kay Giannis Antetokounmpo. What is he gonna get sa Atlanta? Tingnan natin. Pwede naman, again, malalakas ang Atlanta, mga batang malalakas. Pero itong isang potential, sa tingin ko, itong pang-apat ko, the reason why it's gonna be also there is because I think may pera naman to. Kaso, ito yung team na parang walang star eh. So, he will be the star there. Pero yun na nga yung problema eh. Wala siyang kasamang, arguably, no? Arguably, kasi injured si Lillard, no? Tapos yung Kuzma, wala naman. Kaso, kung pupunta siya dito sa team na to, yung Brooklyn Nets, parang wala din. Parang wala din future. Pero parang alam ko kasama siya sa rumor yung Brooklyn Nets. So, that's number 4. Number 5 is Golden State Warriors. I understand the Golden State Warriors doing everything they can to help Stephen Curry. The same is probably for Milwaukee Bucks. They're doing everything they can to help Giannis Antetokounmpo, kumbaga ang tawag dito, para magamit yung mga productive years nila. So, baka Stephen Curry going to the Bucks. Or the Milwaukee Bucks, Giannis Antetokounmpo going to the Golden State Warriors. That could also be a possibility. And maraming balita niyan like pag if sinners niyo yung Golden State Warriors, you would see that they're pursuing. Pero sino ibibigay? Possible ba? Pwede, pero yung salary, yun ang hindi ko alam, no? Pero yung basketball fans sa Golden State Warriors, this will be big. At sa tingin ko, pag ito nangyari, talagang the Twitterverse, social media will crash, ESPN, sobrang daming kagulo nito. Pero malamang, mawala na din talaga yung the rest. Baka si Green, talagang bago na yan. Silang dalawa na lang magiging superstar niya, pero that would be good. No? Ah, sa akin, malabo, pero ito yung pinakagusto kong mangyari. Okay? Number last siguro, I would say Spurs. Spurs. Tala, grabe to. I don't know. Naisip ko lang, Spurs and Giannis and Wemby. Ito yung parang NBA 2K na ang hirap kalabanin. Parang rookie difficulty para sa dalawa. Dalawang malaki. Patay na. Wala na makakatira sa harapan nito. No? Ang bibilis na, lalaki pa. But I do not think it would happen. I just saw that there is an option for Giannis and Wemby. If you're the player, this would be a good ang tawag dito, a good partnership, no? Tapos ma-maintain nila yung mga ibang young core. Pwedeng-pwede, no? Although sino ibibigay ng Spurs? I don't think it's gonna happen. Nabasa ko lang. So, ano ba talagang dapat? At saan ba talaga siya mapupunta? Sa tingin ko, kung gusto niyang manalo, pwedeng Knicks. At sa tingin ko, Heat ang pinaka-possible talaga, Miami Heat. Hindi ko binention yung Boston Celtics ko kahit gusto ko pero parang malabo eh. Again, who knows? The Warriors, again, is heavily and aggressively pursuing what can they provide. And meron naman kasing, meron kasing parang benefit din kay Giannis to partner with Stephen Curry. So yun ang isang iisipin din ni Giannis kung magpapatrade siya. Bakit siya magpapatrade sa mga team na di siya mananalo or magkakaroon siya ng parehong problema na nangyayari ngayon sa Milwaukee Bucks. So, ang tanong, saan siya matatrade? New York, Miami? Yan ang sa tingin ko. Let me know guys sa comment section. And guys, if you wanna get all of these insights at saka yung mga games, so the insights, I watch it on the ESPN pregame show and of course the game itself, I watch it live and I watch my favorite NBA games live sa Disney+. And let me know in the comment section kung saan matitrade si Giannis Antetokounmpo sa palagay nyo.